Hi guys, it's Kristin with apokreations, and I got the second part of my resiners order. So, as you know, I ordered the dual-headed mixer, and I also got the cordless resin rotary tools. And before you ask, no, the Amazon site for resiners did not have purple as an option, or I totally would have gone for it. So it comes with the instruction manual, or the user manual, excuse me, and it goes through and it tells you what all the pieces are, what all the parts in the kit are, and basically how to switch the spot, or switch the tools on the top. So yeah. So, and it says it also comes with some polishing paste. And it comes with a bunch of sandpaper. And according to this, because I don't want to open that, it's got 320, 600, 800, 1,000, 1,200, 2,500, 3,000, 5,000, 7,000, and 8,000. So, and there's quite a few of them in here. Like that whole packet is just the thin pieces of sandpaper. So, and you never can have too much sandpaper. All right, this handy dandy toolbox is perfect because I am famous for losing stuff. Whew. So this is pretty cool. Oh, it's really nice. And this is the chuck lock. So basically what this button does is just like on a regular Dremel, when you're going to replace the chuck or the head for, I don't know, whatever it is that you're going to put in there, sanding wheel, grinding wheel, it will, hang on. So you have to take this piece off to change this, and there's 4 different sizes depending on what you're using, and this one fits on that. So put that on there, put your tool in there, and then so it just keeps spinning, but you push this button and it locks it so you can tighten. And it also does come with a spanner, so you can utilize that as well. Anywho, comes with the charging cable. It's USB-C. It also comes with, it also comes with a variety of drill bits. And I saw the review that Nikki and Kirk did on Koenig's Creation, and a lot of these drill bits are perfect for our UV resin jewelry stuff that we make, because it is super, I mean, look at how fine those are. And of course it just goes, you know, size to size to size. I'm not gonna fix them all, but you know, you get the gist, right? And then it comes with the sanding wheel. So this is, honestly, it's a wonderful Dremel-like piece. Now this piece right here is for, for use with these sanding and buffing pads. Oh my gosh, can I please just hold on to it? There's a little itty bitty hole, and you probably can't see it. Oh, maybe you can. And then you just thread this into there, and viola. You have your you have your sanding wheel or buffing wheel. Sorry, I keep saying sanding. You know what I mean. This is for these bigger ones. This one here is for the little ones. This is your buffing paste. And, you know, anybody that's gotten one of those nail drills, these are kind of like that emery type feel. Anywho, so yeah, so I'm gonna give it a charge and see what it can do. I'll be back. So here I have turned it on and I'm just grabbing something that I've been working on, excuse me, and I ended up having a little drip over on that side when I was trying to coat the other side. So here I'm just using that grinding tool to try and level it out to see how it does. Okay, so what I did was switched the sanding disc for one of the drill bits, and it's one of the smaller ones. And what I'm doing is I had a bunch of, this was just a dump jar that I was making, and I ended up with a lot of air bubbles around the bottom of it. So what I'm doing here is I'm drilling them out a little bit so I can fill them in with UV resin to fill them back up. And it worked like a dream.